Hi, hello, colleagues. So good to be with you today. I'm so excited to tell you about my latest book. Here it is, The Heart-Centered Teacher, Restoring Hope, Joy, and Possibility in Uncertain Times. And this book is for you wherever you are, in or out of the classroom. These last few years have been so difficult, I think, on all of us. The pandemic, the losses we have faced, the hardships, all that we go through just living as teachers and family members in the world. This is the most personal book that I've ever written. It's really a gift of love to you. I start off talking about what it means to love our students. And so much of that is seeing them for who they are and knowing that they are seen, valuing them. It's about living a good life in spite of all of the tough things that are going on in the world. It's about stories and bringing those stories into the classrooms and whose voices are heard, which voices do we not hear? Do we have a reliable narrator for what we're learning about in history and all the content areas? And what are we reading and talking about and valuing in our classrooms? It's about the culture of the classroom. I'm recording this. It is late summer, and this is the room that I write in, and I'm surrounded by books, which I love. And so I talk about classroom libraries and bookstores and equitable access to books and how important that is, as well as the tough issues like the science of reading and censorship and book banning, and how do we deal with that in this very political climate? Not easy, but it is doable. How do we keep hope alive? How do we manage resilience in spite of all of the hardships and the losses that all of us face just inevitably just from living a long life? This book is about the intersection of teaching, learning, and living, and not separating them. The book is stories, memoir, snippets of life in and out of the classroom. And I think mostly it's about how to live a good life, a worthwhile life, in spite of, as I said, the hardships that all of us face. Finally, writing this book has been a total labor of love. I hope you enjoy the book, and I hope it increases your sense of hope, joy, resilience, and well-being. My best to all of you. Thanks for listening.